Hello everyone. Hope you all are great and revising everything which we have done till now. Today what we will learn? Today we will learn something new. Today we will learn about our national symbols. Our national symbols. Let's see. This is our national flag. Our national flag is called Tiranga. It has three colors, saffron, white and green. Saffron stands for courage and bravery. White stands for truth and peace. And green stands for greenery. This is our national flag. This is our national bird. अरे ये तो peacock है. Peacock is our national bird. Yes, peacock likes to dance in rainy season. Peacock is a very beautiful bird. देखा आपने कितना सुंदर डांस करता है ये. Peacock likes to dance in rainy season. जैसे आपको रेनी सीजन अच्छा लगता है ना, ऐसे पिकक को भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है रेनी सीजन. देखो कितना सुंदर डांस कर रहा है ये पिकक. वाओ, वेरी नाइस. नाउ लेट्स सी. This is our national animal. Our national animal is Bengal tiger. You know, tiger is a wild animal and it lives in a cave. Let's see. Wow, it's a quite big animal. Tiger is our national animal. आपको पता है ये कहाँ रहता है? जंगल में. Yes. Now let's see. Lotus. Lotus is our national flower. It's a very beautiful flower. We people use lotus flower for prayer. आपको पता है भगवान के सामने जब हम पूजा करते हैं तो लोटस फ्लावर चढ़ाते हैं भगवान जी को. लोटस इज आवर नेशनल फ्लावर. This is our national tree, banyan tree. Banyan tree is our national tree. Mango. Mango is our national fruit. Mango is a very tasty and yummy fruit. And mango is the king of all fruits. Mango सब फलों का राजा होता है and it is our national fruit. So, what we learn? We learn about national symbols of India. Oh, what are these? Arey, these are few pictures. Arey, these are our national symbols. These are our national symbols picture. But I think all these are not our national symbols. This is a pigeon. Pigeon is a national symbol? No. And what is this? Mango. Yes, mango is a national symbol. Mango is our national fruit. Yes. And what is this? Camel. Camel is our national animal? No, camel is not our national animal. Camel is not our national animal. What is this? Number 1? Number 1 is written here. Now let's check. Let's check other also. Pigeon. Pigeon is our national bird. No, pigeon is not our national bird. Oh, number 6 is here. Number 6, number 1. What is this? Let's check all the pictures. I think few numbers are written at the back. What is this? Peacock. Yes, peacock is our national bird. Yes. But I think one number is also there. Number 10. Now I have to check all these pictures. Yes. Lotus. Yes, lotus is our national flower. Number 9 is written here. Now let's check the other. Watermelon. Watermelon is not our national symbol. Watermelon. Oh, number 8 is there. Now I have to check the tiger also. Tiger is our national animal. Yes. Number 7 is written. Good. I think I have to check next also. Number 6. Pigeon. And this is banyan tree. Banyan tree. Number 5 is written here. Mango. Yes, mango is our national fruit. Yes. But I think one number should be there. क्योंकि मैंने देखा है पीछे सब में नंबर्स थे. Number 4. Yes, I was right. A tricolor flag. Number 3. Yes. This is our national tree? No, this is not our national tree. Let's check behind this. Oh, number 2. And camel. Number 1. तो देखा आपने? Numbers are written over here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Oh, ये तो backward counting है. This is a backward counting. See? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now let's see which one of them are our national symbol. Okay, let's check. First of all, I will come to this. Yes, peacock. Peacock is our national bird. Yes. Now number 9 is lotus. Lotus is our national flower. Watermelon is not our national symbol. Tiger is our national animal. Pigeon is not our national bird. Banyan. Banyan tree is our national tree. Yes. Mango is our national fruit. Mango is a very tasty fruit. Yum, yum. And our Tiranga. This is our national flag. This is not our national tree. Camel is not our national animal. So what we learn? We learn our national symbols and backward counting. 10 to 1. Yes. We learn backward counting 10 to 1. Let's do an activity as I'm having few coins here and I need one pencil and one A4 size sheet. Now I will place this A4 size sheet over these coins. Now let's see what I'm doing. Where is the coin? Oh, this is a coin. Let's see. This is the impression of 10 rupee coin. Oh, wow. अब देखिए आगे भी. Where's the coin? Here. Yes. अब देखते हैं कौन सा आता है. Let's see. Which coin impression is this? This is a 5 rupee coin impression. Wow. Next is oh, this is 1 rupee coin impression. Yes. Now one more coin is here. This is now let's see. Oh, this is 2 rupee coin impression. This is देखो यहाँ दिख रहा है ना rupee 2 and this is 10 rupee coin impression and this is देखो कौन सा है ये rupee 5 and this is rupee 1. How was the activity? It was interesting now. Now you have to do this activity at your home. Today what we did? Today we learned backward counting 10 to 1 and our national symbols. So now you have to revise our national symbols and backward counting 10 to 1 and do that activity also. Now we people will meet soon. Bye.